is the next day. It is Monday. I'm back home and I'm still unboxing gifts, so I'm excited. I kind of have an idea of what I have because I sent a wish list to my family. Shout out to them because they showed out. My whole entire porch was full of gifts from them, and I'm gonna show you guys all the unboxing that I have to do as well as what I got. So let me show you guys the boxes that I had to bring up in this house. Do you see that? Do you see that? Yeah, guys, let's just cut to the chase and start unboxing stuff because it's gonna take some time. For whatever reason, these roses died a lot faster than I expected them to. I don't even think they lasted more than a week. I don't know why. Let's see. This is like fuel fluid for my portable fireplace. This is gonna save me money because this stuff does add up. So I got 3 of those. That's the first gift. Let me see. This is, okay. Yep, these are the clothes. So I'm gonna wait to show you guys that. All right, this Amazon box was opened. I don't know why it was open. Somebody must have got my box and thought it was for them. Okay, so I got this book. I heard it was a good read, so I'm gonna read it. That was part of my wish list as well. Okay, I got this, which is actually kind of funny because I already actually bought this, so I'm gonna have to return this one. This is Moroccan oil for my hair because wash day is important and I love my natural hair. So, and I love Moroccan oil. Once I got a sample of this, I couldn't get enough of it. Best thing on the market for oil when it comes to natural hair. Oh my God, okay. These cute little bowls. I still need to get my house together and I'm obsessed with home stuff. If I ever decide to have like a huge get together, I can use these as serving bowls. Really cute, really cute. The tripod, the one that moves back and forth, I ended up getting this. Oh my God, I'm excited to use this, guys. I'm really excited to use it. It's supposed to make things easier so I don't have to keep on moving stuff around. It also moves 360, so it goes all the way around. So this is pretty dope. I cannot wait to use it. I wonder if I can attach it to another tripod. I don't know. A bowl set. I got another bowl set. This bowl set apparently is supposed to be all different sizes from small to big. Let's see what it's giving. Oh, it's very much giving that. It's giving, yeah. This is the tiniest one in there. So cute. I think they have a bigger bowl. Whoa, yeah, this is pretty big. This is bigger than my bowls that I have. So there's that. It's like a little bowl tower. It's really cute. Oh my God. Okay, so I got a Shark vacuum, a very expensive Shark vacuum, but a very good reviewed Shark vacuum. I'm not gonna fully unbox this and take it apart and like put it together and stuff. I just wanted to show you guys how the vacuum looked and how it's a portable one and it's very like has detachable parts and stuff like that. But I'm gonna skip doing all the extra stuff because there's 2 more packages left and I want to really show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting a portrait, guys. This shit is huge and I'm not joking. I'm gonna use it for the living room, so I'm gonna hang it up somewhere in the living room. I already have an area of mine, but this is gorgeous. It's almost like 3D. I did get it off of Amazon and it was not cheap and it's extremely good quality. I will say you need to be very careful with it because I do have like some pieces falling off of it because again, it's like 3D. It's very, very beautiful. And it's gonna go so well in my living room. So shout out to my mom. This thing is huge. Look at how beautiful it is. Like, you cannot tell me this is not popping. And it's heavy too, like super heavy. So I'm gonna put it down. But thanks, Mom. We have one more package left, and I'm pretty sure it's my patio set, which is going to be extremely heavy to move around. This is my patio set. This is my patio set right here. I might put it together, I might not, I don't know. If I do, I'm gonna come back and show you guys. But basically, this is all the stuff I got, including my luxury unboxing. And I do have some clothes that I did tell you guys that I was gonna show you, so let's get to that. I do have a trip coming up very soon, like very soon, to Vermont. So I wanted to get some stuff for the trip because, you know, I'm a fashionista. So I ended up getting 2 coats and a hat. Let me show you. Ooh, not it being too big for my head. Period. Period. Can you see it? Can you see what it says? If I'm too much for you, go find less. I will say this thing is very tight on my head, and it's only one size fits all type of thing. So just keep in mind for the girlies that wear wigs or just have a big head, because I don't have a big head, I just wear wigs and my hair is always braided down. Really freaking cute jacket, and I'm going to show you how it looks on. So it's a fur puffer coat. Look at this bomb. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me take the hat off because the hat's throwing me off. Okay, it's giving, ooh, I don't know if it's gonna be able to hook to, because my boobies are kind of big, but yeah, I might be able to hook. I just gotta finesse it, but you cannot tell me this is not cute. Yes, I'm gonna be in the mountains, like, that's how I'm gonna be in the mountains. Okay, this is cute. It's so cute. And I have an outfit to go with it. So I'm going to be looking like the perfect ski bunny. Let me show you guys how that looks on. Bomb. I had to get it in 2 colors because I was like, oh, it's shedding a little bit. I was like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. I need to get it in 2 colors, not 1. That's how cute it is. And I can wear it like anywhere. I don't have to just wear it, you know, to go up in the mountains. But this is the black one. It is super cute. And you guys are gonna see when I put the whole outfit together, it's a vibe. Okay, a vibe. I don't know if I have shoes to go with this, but I'm pretty sure I probably do, because knowing me, I got 1,000 pairs of shoes and something for everything, pretty much. And this is absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Even the inside is like, oh, I love it. I love it. Really good quality. This is the place that I got it from, right here. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I hope so. It cost $12.99. I mean $12.66 for the hat. $76.42 for the black jacket, which wasn't on sale, but it was final sale. It wasn't on sale, but it was final sale. Now that I'm thinking about that, that's kind of weird. The white one was $63.75, and that was actually on sale. I don't know why that isn't final sale. I'm so grateful for the month of March. I celebrated my birthday to the core. I received so many gifts and so much loving messages for this month. I'm so happy. And, you know, I finally got a chance to really see all the gifts that I got, and I'm really just happy. I lived that month all the way up, and I have no regrets, and it's just the beginning of the year, like I keep on saying, so it's kind of crazy.